without purpose. Look at the ones when he was praying and his grandson was on his back. It delayed him from getting up from sujood and prostration to the degree that some people thought, what has happened? And then they noticed this is the grandson of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam on his back in salah. Imagine playing games. I want to ask you a question. We are not inviting the Imams of the Masjid to do the same, but if the Imam of your Masjid was in sujood a little bit long because his child was on his back, what would you do? That's a question. What would you do? May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us really. It reminds me of a story in India where there was an Imam who something of this nature happened to him and they really harassed him. Apparently this is supposed to be a true story. You know, some people want to know, is it true, is it not true? It's not just an example, it's a true story. They say this Imam, he was so upset that he told them, you know what, you people are hassling me so much, harassing me, one day I'll leave you in sujood and I'll disappear. And so they thought it was a joke. This foolish Imam actually did it. He went in sajda and he prolonged the first one. So when he prolonged the first one and he came up from it after a long time, people thought, okay, this man has got a long sajda today. He went in for the next one. When he noticed everyone is down, he went out of the trap door in the front of the mihrab and he was gone. So be careful. If we treat our Imams in such a way, and I know we are speaking to many nationalities here this evening, but wherever you are from, and no matter who you mix with, the Imam, you need to treat him thoroughly and properly. He lights a lot of candles, you need to know this. And it's not easy. Don't blow his, because by blowing his candle, remember one thing, it will affect a lot of other candles at the same time. You have a problem, an issue, talk to him in private with respect. Because you need to know there are people who look up to him with respect as well.